Hi everybody, welcome to Fast Homebrew. It's tasting day again, number 13 this time. And it's golden ales again because I brewed those two at the same time. And here they all are, so what do we got here? Well, first of all, this is the one I was sort of trying to copy because it's got the recipe there on the back. It's the Nail Brewing Golden Ale, which I tried for the first time last time. This is my extract one, and that's my all grain one. So look forward to giving them a try. This here, I reckon, is Mega Swill masquerading as craft beer, and this one I'm pretty sure is actual craft beer, and this is Max. Now, Max, you're going inside because we all remember what happened last time I had a set of golden ales lined up and you were around. Boom! Down they all went. Broken glass everywhere. One dog looking very guilty and sorry. Wasn't his fault. He had the cone on and didn't quite know where he ended and the cone began or anything. But anyway, here we are, all nice and safe. Oh, check this out. This is my bottle opener that I got for doing the 24-hour race that I was talking about before. I rode 600 kilometers and all I got to show for it is this stupid bottle opener. Yeah. Anyway, pouring them out here. So this is the that's the extract one, which I made kind of like a Smurto recipe. This is the all grain one off the back. They're both using Galaxy hops, which are new to me. There goes the Nail. That's the John Boston one. And this is the Endeavour guys. So these guys look kind of the same, not really. These guys look the same, John Boston and Nail there. My one's a bit cloudier than the Nail, and the extract one is pretty clear, a little bit darker. So yeah, that's the colour comparison. Okie dokie. Let's give this guy a go to start with. And yep, those Galaxy hops, which were new to me back then, still taste pretty awesome. I really like that beer. And it's a bloody hot day. So let's compare this one. And this is the extract one, of course. Yeah, it's pretty damn close. So the base is different and it's a little sort of heavier overall, but the hops are just about spot on. So let's try my all grain one, and well, this one's got the base right, but I've underdone it a little bit with the hops. It's actually a little bit too sweet to begin with, and probably not quite there on the flavour side of things, but that's okay. Let's see if this John Boston thing is real beer or nope. Got I guess it's what you could describe as maybe a gateway craft beer, something with a fancy name and a kind of a made-up heritage that's all crap, but maybe it gets you into craft beer, but that has not really any flavour to speak of or anything like that. Let's try Endeavour, and yeah, this one's kind of good. This one's got the same sort of heavy feel as the extract one, but it's nice and fruity, like it should be, and it's got a bit of a caramelly aftertaste, which was a surprise. So anyway, bit of a top up here, and there's some yeast going in, and whoop, almost overflowed there, so just go again, and hang on a second, what's that yeast doing? Ah, look at that. Now they're both kind of cloudy and both kind of the same almost colour. Compare it to the clear one. Yeah, big difference. They got a lot cloudier. Anyway, run through them all again before the final verdict. Really like that Nail one. John Boston can go jump, and Endeavour, and well, let's go through. So starting with my guys here, extract one and all grain, both good. Extract one's a really good extract beer. It's not quite as nice as the all grain one, which is brilliantly refreshing, but yeah. Oh, now that one was a solid 2 thumbs up. We all knew what that was going to be. This guy here, if you don't, yeah, just forget that. It's a lot like the James Squire one. This one, yeah, this one gets thumbs up as well. In fact, I give that one 2 thumbs up. He's really nice. The caramelly aftertaste I was not expecting. But anyway, I'm all done. There's the thumbs. Thanks for watching the video. Max, you can come outside and chase your ball. Everybody's happy. Goodbye, Max. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe and all that kind of stuff. Bye.